Alright, let's demonstrate copy into now. So first things first, we'll ingest the file, we'll go to new as usual, add or upload data. Now let's click on upload files to a volume. Let's click on browse to browse from our local computer. I'll click on select files. Let's browse our CSV file named customers small. Let's double click and there we go. Now please make sure to select our previous demo volume from our previous tutorial because whenever we'll be using the SQL query, it will have this path. If you look here, volumes, workspace, demo schema, then demo volume. Let's click on now upload. All right, we got the green tick mark. That being said, the file is in the volume now. I'll close this. Now let's go to our SQL editor. Let's click on query, SQL query. Now the very first thing for using copy into the requirement is that we should have a delta table created. So that's why we are creating one table first with the DDL or with the table definitions. Then we are naming it like copy into demo. Please make sure here to select our demo schema because we are creating in the demo schema, right? We got to create the make sure it's correct. Let's click on run. All right, looks good. It says okay, means our empty table is now created. Let's use now copy into to fetch the data into this table, because if we do now select star from the table name, let's see. So it should technically have a blank table with no data. Now let's use copy into and ingest the data. All right, if we look here, the path is important. Remember a few moments back I mentioned, please select the demo schema, right? And the demo volume, which we have created from the previous tutorial, so that you don't face any trouble with the path, because if your path is incorrect, the query will fail. And again, we are pushing the data into copy into demo, which we have created previously here using the create table command. And if you note here, we have the file format mentioned in CSV because the file which we have uploaded from our local computer, it is in the CSV format. If you look here, right? Now let's run this and check it out. And there we go. It says the number of rows affected 2. Now let's run our select star to check whether copy into work correctly or not to validate. So please make sure the schema name is also correct. So we have incorrectly mentioned. And now let's once again run it. Now it looks good. Number of rows affected 2. Now let's check the select star. And there we go. The data got loaded into the table named copy into demo, which we have created few moments back. So the overall idea is that please make sure your copy into your schema name and everything is correct, which should match here. Otherwise the copy into won't work, right? So that's what it goes with the tutorial. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.